guys, today we're making some fun and festive Mardi Gras crafts. This is a super easy craft that's great for kids and adults alike, and it only takes a few supplies. Stick around to find out how to make these. First, I took cardstock and traced a fleur-de-lis, a Mardi Gras mask, and the shape of Louisiana. You can always freehand these or trace them, whatever works best for you. Next, I took my purple, green, and yellow construction paper and cut it into small squares. While I make the collage, I'm going to tear each square into even smaller pieces to give it a cool textured look. To start the craft, I added glue inside the lines of my drawing. I'm going to do this section by section and then add paper, that way my glue doesn't dry out. Then I started filling in my design with my torn pieces of paper. You can stick to one color per section or do multiple colors like I did. Keep layering your pieces until your whole shape is covered, and don't worry if some pieces overlap, that's what makes the collage look really good. Just finishing my final pieces now, and I love how it turned out. I like that the different pieces of paper add so much texture and color to this design, and it's a really fun and easy craft for celebrating Mardi Gras. Using the same steps as before, I'm going to finish making my mask and my State of Louisiana design. For the Louisiana craft, I drew a heart on my design, and I'm going to leave this uncovered. That way it makes it pop a little bit more and makes this design different from the rest. To take this craft to the next level, you can always decorate the paper that your collage is on just to make your design stand out just a little bit more. And there you have it, a fun and festive Mardi Gras paper collage craft to celebrate the season with color and creativity. I hope you have a blast making this simple and fun craft. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.